Hello everyone, my name is Rika Nakayama. I'm half American and half Japanese. I first started learning Chinese because my parents thought that it would bring me a lot of good opportunities. I chose to study Chinese with eChineseLearning because it was recommended to me by another reputable tutoring website called Dongyu. So far, my experience with learning Chinese with eChineseLearning has been very good. The teachers are very patient and easy to talk to.
大家好，我的名字叫中山李香，我是半美国人和半日本人。我开始学习中文的原因是因为我的家长认为学习中文会对我有很多的好处。我选择和eChineseLearning学习中文的原因是因为从董宇来的导师给我推荐了这个网站。到目前为止，我觉得跟eChineseLearning学习中文的经验是非常好的。导师们都很耐心，又可以跟他们很容易的交流。